Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Ubisoft Connect on your PC or laptop. To do that is super easy. Go ahead and log into your Ubisoft account or just simply head over to ubisoft.com. You don't even have to log in. But once you're there, you'll find download Ubisoft Connect in the upper right. It is important that you have an account because you can easily sign in afterwards. Now click download Ubisoft Connect in the upper right. It's going to open up a new window and it's going to start to download it very fast on your PC. Now, as you can see there in a moment, mine will show that it's complete, and then we're going to start the installation process. As you can see, it's done. I'm going to click on that and it's going to go ahead and start to install on my computer. You'll receive a user account control on your Windows PC. Click on yes, and you will receive this right here. Go ahead and click on accept and proceed with installation on your computer. You can see right there that mine is complete. I'm going to click on next. Then here it's going to say run Ubisoft Connect. Click on that. And right here you can see that it loads up and it's currently loading, as you can see. And from here you want to log in with your details. So enter your email address and your valid password that you have for your Ubisoft account. Click and log in and you will see that it's gonna log you right in. And as you can see, this is my Ubisoft account here and it's currently logged me into Ubisoft Connect. And that's it guys. That's how you go ahead and download and install Ubisoft Connect on your PC or laptop. Very easy and very simple.